is honoring a decade of the Ultraboost with a steady stream of special releases, and the celebration continues with a clean, lifestyle-ready take, the Ultraboost 1.0 Warm Vanilla. Since its groundbreaking debut in 2015, the Ultraboost has bridged the gap between performance and fashion, becoming a cultural icon with help from early supporters like Kanye West. This latest anniversary edition opts for a subtle, elegant look. The Primeknit upper and TPU cage come dressed in warm cream hues, offering a monochromatic feel that's both modern and versatile. Gold-accented branding adds a refined touch, while the classic gum outsole grounds the design with timeless appeal. Now available at adidas.com and select retailers, the Ultraboost 1.0 Warm Vanilla continues the model's legacy with understated style and everyday comfort.